Casey's scaling his crib. Yeah. It's pretty dangerous, Casey. Danger is your middle name? No, Rex is his middle name. You're running on top of Daddy?
Down.
You want to get down?
Whoa!
Whoa! Wow. What a daredevil. What a daredevil. What a daredevil. What a daredevil. Yeah, Rex fall down. You kicking blocks? Casey, you're wild. You're even wild for a wild man.
Booger?
Oh, now you got a booger? Oh. Casey, you're wearing me out.
What's this? What's in here? What's in here? Wait. Oh, no, great.
That's a fire truck, isn't it?
Yeah, it's another fire truck.
Boom, boom.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.